Hello there. Sanbona, today we're reacting to Nicki Minaj and Ice Spice Barbie World with Aqua. Don't know what the hell that means, but
probably water.
Let's see.
Hi Barbie. Hi Barbie.
How are they making Barbies that look like them, like in terms of clothes and stuff, but they still have the same skin color? Doesn't make sense.
And the same skin body.
Stop playing with him, Riot. And I'm bad like the Barbie.
I'm sorry. Hey.
Nicki's also fine.
Yeah, they don't look grand, but like Ice Spice is just.
Still wanna party. Pink felt like
Oh, come on.
I'm ready.
Ice Spice is pretty, dude.
She's gonna end up like Faith Evans.
Ooh.
Her looks.
Faith Evans, I'm sure she was on crack or something. She just.
I'm a 10, so I pull in a can.
No, she has like a hot mother, so I doubt it. Ice Spice, she has like a hot mother.
Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nicki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red,
hey.
But he spanked me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink. And we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spanked me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way it can be killing you got me yelling out.
I've never understood why.
Oh, she got the fake ones.
Why? Like, have you noticed how females, they'll get guys in their videos and then the guys are like worshipping them type of thing?
Yeah.
It's weird.
Like the scream house. You're yelling out, we ain't so.
It's called a female rapper's video.
No, even R&B, like chain, like it's always to the extreme when it comes to girls. Because imagine there's like look good, twerk,
Hey,
it's like empower, but
so you've never seen that Nelly video?
She asked for that, and that was a
the credit card swipe.
Yeah, she asked for it.
She asked for it.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Like bebayenza ngemali.
Yeah.
Then he ran out. Then she was like, swipe it in my. And then that's the story behind that.
Out, we got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't belling out. In that pink Ferrari, we.
Why aren't jet skis on clouds?
That isn't so fake. Oh my god.
What happened to hoverboards?
They're so fake. Like they're so pneumatic. Sure, they're so pneumatic. Jesus Christ.
Pulling out, I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. The poop so cold, we just chilling out. Baby yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nicki.
Is it safe to say like Pop Smoke really came through in terms of sound, like the beat style, or was it before him?
It's the flow. Yeah.
No, I'm talking about the sound, the beat. That doom. I mean, I know it's not exclusively him, but I think he popularized it a lot.
Not really. I think drill valley. It's
yeah,
drill.
like the pattern.
It's the the UK
drill
unnecessary bass.
But it did not necessarily sound like this UK
It's
drill.
unnecessary bass. The dum dum dum.
All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Barbie ain't nothing to play about. He wanna play in the playhouse.
Yeah.
The they gon' say now. I'm watching these bitches, I'm rubbing a stain out. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, bro, let me go find me a pen. Look where it led. Now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with.
Ice Spice.
She's mediocre. She is. I'm sorry. Like she's lazy.
But fuck you.
A Barbie click, I keep dragging her so she bald a bit, and I see the bread.
Ice Spice is that girl, that skinny girl. Koi Leroy or something.
Fuck you.
She's her, but with a pretty privilege.
Fuck you.
Artistically, they're the same. They're the same.
No.
They're the same.
I want all of it, and I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back, so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him brick. Yeah, they know who it, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nicki. All of the Barbies.
She's twerking.
All of the Barbies is bad. It girls.
Have you seen that video of where she was performing? I think at Rolling Loud.
Oh, where people
they were standing
were
still.
zombies.
And then she started twerking.
And they just started moving her ass.
I'm like, ah, damn. It's sad.
And we ain't playing tag.
Why are the Barbies still white? And why don't
That's what I was saying.
yeah? And why don't they have ass?
That's what I was saying. The Barbies are still the same.
Like I want my Barbies to have ass and have like the Nicki Minaj numeric tits.
No, I want natural tits. The Barbie must have tits here. Be natural.
No, I want the Nicki Minaj one.
Aye.
The numeric ones. The ones that look like they've been pumped.
Take it out of the box. You can put it back in.
The big snippets.
The breastises.
The breastises. The lushes.
Breastises.
No, but niggas, but I wouldn't say they're lushes. Lushes is that word of
Yeah.
Niggas has like
They're aggressive. They get muscle pulled.
yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Like get some black Barbies and give them some ass.
And stretch box. Arr.
Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Slay.
That was the laziest director. In a Barbie world.
I wish I was going to watch.
Should have do it like, ooh. It's the same thing. Hey, anyway, it's a good track for.
I wouldn't go
soundtracks and
that
stuff.
far and watch an entire video. Yaga Nicki Minaj. But yeah, it was a good track.
It was a good track, especially like it has that move. It's like the beat is leading the lyrics instead of the lyrics leading the beat type of thing. It's like if it's those tracks that plays in the stores and it's in the background.
I mean, honestly, no one listens to a Nice Spice record and thinks, "Oh, I wonder what she's gonna say."
That's true.
Yeah, so it's
It's all about the mood. But yeah, anyway, this was Nicki Minaj and Ice Spice, Barbie World music
Ice
video.
Spice.
Like, comment any video you'd like us to
And
see
tell me what's your
next.
favorite Ice Spice song, because I love Ice Spice. Ice Spice. Mwah. Ah! 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 Ah!
That's the shit. I'm joking. Like, subscribe, comment any video you'd like us to react to. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.